Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a while. Just got a couple of things for my F-150. Basically, what I've got is these are made by TUFSKINZ. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. This is a flexible sill protector that just sticks on, and all I've got to do is clean it and stick it on. I've got these for the back, just short ones, and then I got a set for the front that are basically the same thing, just longer. So bought these off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. Should be a simple install, just a simple cleanup with, I'm gonna clean it with water first to get the dust off, then clean it with alcohol to get any residue off, and then stick it on. And it's basically just peel back the top, stick it on, be sure it's aligned, and then press down. So anyway, I'll come back once it's done. Thanks. All right, guys, I got them installed and got basically progressively better as I did it. Not very hard at all. Probably grand total, no more than 20 minutes total with prep and everything. The two little goofs I did was when I did this one first, I didn't think about aligning it with this. So this one's just a little bit forward, not a big deal. And what I did was I actually set on the ground and then remove the peel on the back and then align the bottom, press this in, and then gradually press this in like this. And then just, go down and just push it down. This one looks good. Off just a little bit. The front one up here, this is when I realized, oh, I need to align it. So off just a hair, but still not bad, especially as you're getting in, you can't really tell. And I had one tiny little air bubble that was right here. So I have a set of picks. I just took the pick and just poked a small hole in it. You can't even tell where that was. Pushed it down, air hole gone. So looks good over here. The driver's side's even better. Take a look at it here real quick. You can see this one looks really, really good. And then the last one up here, driver's door, is probably the best one I got. But I'm real pleased with it. When you're getting in, and especially if you have dirty shoes or you might have a rock in your shoe, if you were to, come down like that, you're certainly not going to scrape the paint on the truck. So I'm real pleased with it. I think these were about $24 for the front set, and the same for the rear set. They're by a company called TUFSKINZ. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. They're actually the same ones that made these letters. I don't know if they're still doing these letters though. I don't know if they had a copyright claim from Ford or what, but if I can find the link, I will put the link in the description for these as well. These are actually color matched to the vehicle. They might have faded just a hair, but they are color matched to the vehicle, which is why I wanted to get those instead of just black ones, just to make it stand out. So that's what they look like. I do also have, just as far as other things I have on the truck, the stripes. These came from the American Trucks Company, and then I also did up here on the hood, I did the silver insert there. These are the same color. They're both 3M vinyl, just a stick-on. Those are pretty easy to do. I've done those to the truck as well. This little antenna, this is I think this is 8 or 8 3/4 inch, something like that. Stubby antenna, works great, no problems at all. That I did get through Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below about that too. But I definitely can recommend that. That works great. Everything else though is pretty much stock. I do have these are made by a company called BuiltRight, BILTRIGHT, and these basically, all you do, just to show you, is you remove the bracket that holds this in, put this in. On the back ones, you also remove this down here, and it goes right in. These also too, just to show you over the tailgate, you do have a light switch back here, and there is a cutout These are also available for the F-250 and up as well. They're the same basic design, but the difference is on the 250 and larger, if you have the 7-pin for a gooseneck or a fifth wheel, there is a section that you can actually cut out of this. So it's slightly different, but it works the same way, same principle. Again, I'll put the link on that. Sometimes these show up through Amazon. I actually bought these from 4x4 LEDs, I think they are. Again, I'll put a link to those. Really, really great. They're nice and tough. They're not going to go anywhere, and you got tons of ways to mount things. If you want to mount a fire extinguisher, an accessory box, you can do it through the slots here. You can also of course, tie down things in here. I have since I don't have a cover on my bed, I actually have a cargo bag that I sometimes will use if we're traveling that's watertight, and it has the 4 corners that I tie up to this here. So, and for that, I'll also put a link in the description again. But that's what I've got here on the truck. So that was just a quick little update on what's going on. As far as side-by-sides, I've not been riding. Of course, we've had all the coronavirus stuff, and that's been a real big headache. So even Lawson hadn't been able to get out his machine just due to his work, and I'm not traveling, of course, for my work, but I'm still quite busy. I am actually looking at buying a boat through Copart, looking at buying a used boat that needs just a little bit of fix-up, and I will definitely be doing a series on that if I win the auction. I'll keep you posted, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's where we stand for right now. Beautiful day this afternoon. So thanks everyone for watching, and there will be more content coming. And if you have any questions, anything that I can answer on the F-150, again, I have the Power Stroke model. This is the 3-liter 150 Power Stroke. I'm happy to answer those questions. I'm also happy to answer any questions about side-by-sides as well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking the video. Please like. It really does help, and I do appreciate everything you guys do. Have a great one.